Hey everyone, want to upload folders to your Mega account? In this video, I'll show you how to upload entire folders to Mega step by step. Yeah, whether you're backing up work files, saving photos, or storing project folders in the cloud, this guide will help you do it quickly. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged in before starting the upload process. Next, open the location in your Mega cloud storage where you want the folder to be uploaded. Choosing the correct destination helps keep your files organized. Now click the Upload button and select Folder Upload from the available options. This allows you to upload an entire folder along with all of its files and subfolders. Browse your computer and locate the folder you want to upload. Select it, then click Select Folder or the equivalent option on your device to begin the upload. Mega will start uploading the folder automatically. You can watch the progress in the transfer panel while the files are being uploaded. Larger folders may take more time depending on their size and your internet speed. Wait until the upload is fully complete before closing the browser or the Mega application. Once finished, the folder and all its contents will appear in your cloud storage. If the upload stops or fails, check your internet connection, available Mega storage space, and make sure none of the files are currently in use. So fixing these issues and trying again usually resolves the problem. You can also drag and drop a folder directly into the Mega browser window to start the upload without using the upload menu. And that's how you upload folders to Mega. With your folders safely stored in the cloud, you can access, organize, and share them from almost anywhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.